Do you want to learn the safest way to hang a ladder? Watch this video. I'll help you out. Let's start by removing these old flimsy hooks from the wall. These things are dangerous and can cause injury. How did this ladder not fall down? I purchased a pair of these at Lowe's. They're rated at 1,000 pounds. For best results, make sure you install these on a wall stud. Because I knew this was already installed on a wall stud, I used one of the existing holes that was on the old bracket. I used 1/4 inch lag bolts that were 2.5 inches long. I found another wall stud and pre-drilled the hole. I'm glad to be in a position where I can help folks learn how to repair things and build things on their own. But making YouTube videos costs time and money. You can really help me by subscribing and liking my videos. It doesn't cost you anything, but boy, it sure helps me. I appreciate it, and thank you. I know it's hard to tell, but these sit back about 6 inches. Easy peasy. Let's hang another one for a small step ladder. Wait a minute. Don't throw away those old hangers we took off earlier. We're going to use those to hang hoses and extension cords, etc. If you're hanging something lightweight like vacuum hoses or extension cords, it's okay to use wall anchors when you don't have a wall stud where you need to put this.